Shopify now has a new AI assistant called Sidekick. This chatbot is here to make life easier for sellers, and it is now available to all Shopify accounts. Today, we'll explore this tool together. We are gonna check how to use this tool, how to get the best outcomes, and what are the limitations. It basically acts as a virtual helper to manage and optimize your store. It can answer questions, automate tasks, and show sales trends. It also can guide you the ways to boost performance. So let's see how helpful it really is. In this video, I'll create a new product from scratch with the help of Sidekick. Then I'll use it to optimize one of my items. So let's get started. If you head over to your Shopify admin panel and look at the right hand side, you will spot this tool. If you don't see it there, then on the top right corner, you will find the icon for this tool. Just simply click here and this chat box will pop up on the right side of your screen. Straight away, it gives you some prompts. For example, if you want to know how to increase the conversion rate, just simply click on it. Now, Sidekick has given us some suggestions to increase conversion. So let's see what we got here. Optimize web performance, ensure your store loads quickly and is easy to navigate. A fast, smooth experience can lead to higher conversion rate. Improve product description. Write clear, engaging and scannable product description. Use headlines, bullet points and high quality images to make your product appealing. So these are the basic approaches for increasing the conversion. Then streamline checkout process. So you need to simplify the checkout process to make the purchase easier for the shoppers. Then we have leverage analytics, enhance user experience. This time it act quite similar to ChatGPT, but the difference I can see, Sidekick provides some useful links from Shopify backend. So I guess if you want to find something like any specific tool or want to know the process of any task, then Sidekick can be a helpful option for you. So now to reset the chat box, click the icon over here. Now let's see, can this tool help me to create a new product from scratch? So let me write a prompt here. So this is the prompt I'm giving. I want to sell leather wallets, create the product on the store. And here it gave me the title, description, SEO title, SEO description and a price. Let's click on the preview and see what happens. All right, now we are straight in the add product page. And the cool thing is, it has already filled out some of the sections. It filled out the title. Although I don't like this title, maybe if we insert more information in the prompt, then it will most likely be able to generate a better title. Right now, I don't have such information. Let's see, can it generate a better title from nothing? Let me type, create a product title highlighting the key selling points. Okay, now it gives us another title. Again, it's not satisfying me at all. It failed to catch my expectations. But it's better than having no title at all, right? So if we simply click on preview, now you can see the old title is replaced by the new one. So this automation seems very cool. Remember, most of the AI tools, including this one, depend on prompts. The more information you will give to it, the better result it will generate. I guess if we could give more information, we would get more detailed title. You can try it at home. Again, the description it gave is very short. To generate a long description, we would say something like create a description within 300 to 500 words. Now, let's create some tag. Here, we got some relative tags. Let's add this tag to our product by clicking the preview. Okay, here there. Over here you can see it has given us a random price. I think now we need product images. Let's see, can it create a new one? Maybe not. It says currently I can't create image directly. However, I recommended using tools like Canva or Adobe Express to design a professional image for your leather wallet. So it doesn't have the image generating options right now. Maybe in the future we might see the improvement. Here the category section is also fill out, which I think is fine. Now let's try to fill out the meta fields. Well, it doesn't fill out the meta fields. Rather, it tells us the process to do so. Alright, my guess is we need to fill out the meta field section manually by ourselves. If we remember, Sidekick has given us meta title and meta description at the beginning. We can keep the previous one, or we can always customize or generate a new one with the help of Sidekick. Let me save the product and click on preview from here. Now this is our product. The image is missing because Sidekick couldn't generate image for this product. And the rest of the things should be better. But if you're totally new on Shopify, then it will help you to give you an idea and guide you through product creations. Now, it's time to check our next thing. We are going to check if this AI can help us to do optimizations. Just open an existing product which need to be optimized. Let's open this one. We need a better title, so I want to give this prompt. Optimize the product title to increase the search engine visibility, traffic and sales for this product. Here we got a new title. Well, I like this new one. I think it's optimized better and can engage the shopper well. So we're gonna keep it. Now let's do the same thing for description. I'm going to use the same prompt but using the word description instead of title. Here is our description and also it gives us a SEO description. Let's just keep them. We already have some tags. Let me create more. Here they are. Let's add them. Let's create a meta title. Create meta title to optimize in search engine for this product. As we can see, this meta title is the same as the product title we created a moment ago. And here we already got the meta description. I don't want to change it. Click on save and then go to preview. Here is our product page with the optimized title and description we just made with the help of Sidekick. So Sidekick is a promising AI assistant for Shopify sellers, especially for new Shopify sellers or someone who is looking to save the time. I'll give this AI assistant a 6 out of 10 because it has some limitations. Its current capabilities are somewhat limited by the information it requires from the user and it's unable to generate product images. It still relies heavily on users' input and lack of advanced features like meta field automations. I guess it is now only in its initial stage. In the future, there must be more upgrades to improve the capabilities. Right now, it's excellent for basic tasks and initial setup for the newcomers. For example, if you don't know something like how to create coupon, then give a prompt like create me a coupon for this product. I hope you will find the necessary solution. If you don't check this out yet, please go and check it and let me know your thoughts about it in the comments. If you need any help with your Shopify CMH, email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Peace.